So just we have seen that how a structure works. Up now there is another data type, that is union. Both structure and unions are used to group a number of variables of different types in single unit. While a structure enables us to treat this unit as a number of different variables stored at different places in memory, and union enables us to treat the same space in memory as a number of different variables. That is, an union permits a section of memory to be treated as a variable of one type on one occasion and as a different variable of different type on another occasion. The syntax for declaring an union, declaring variables of union type, accessing elements, is identical to that of structures except for storage of member of union and their initialization. So this is the single difference. Except the storage pattern, all are same as union. So now I am moving to IDE to show you with an example. So let's start the example. See, example of union. Hash include H union mix data int a char b float c. Union mix data, name is expression, short XP. Clear screen. Now we are taking the size of the union. Printf \n size of union exp equal to %d \n size of union mix data. Union mix data. अब now we are assigning the value exp dot a is equal to 251 and now seeing printf and exp dot a is equal to percent d exp dot a. Another variable exp dot b is equal to simply a character a printf exp printf exp dot b is equal to percent c exp dot b exp dot c is equal to 275.25. So now see printf backslash n exp dot c is equal to percent to f exp dot c. To hold the program, let's so I have completed the program and now let's execute it. Control F9. So this is the result. The union occupies only 4 bytes of memory space, whereas it is storing 3 elements. One requires 2 bytes, the another one single byte, and next one 4 bytes. If these elements will be stored in a structure, those will require 7 bytes, whereas union is taking only 4 bytes. Let's see, we can make it more elaborative. bytes bytes. So control F9, 4 bytes. Now it is more elaborative. If all these elements will be stored in a structure, it will take 7 bytes.